Welcome back to the Smart Box. We will be watching our 10th chapter of maths, that is equation. Okay, this is the first video since our Diwali vacation. Okay, this will be the first chapter we will be doing in our part 2, that is equation. This is the most important chapter according टू योर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स एंड नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड ऑल्सो. ये सारी चीज़ें जो है हमें बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होने वाली है इन नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड्स एज वेल एज इन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स इटसेल्फ. ओके, तो यहाँ पर हमें जो है सबसे पहले ये सीखना है कि इक्वेशंस होते क्या हैं. ठीक है, इक्वेशंस का मतलब होता है कोई भी चीज़ जो इक्वल होती है उसे हम कहते हैं इक्वेशन. जैसे इसका एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक दैट इफ़ वी आर गोइंग इन मार्केट, ओके, फॉर बाइंग ग्रॉसरीज और एनीथिंग, तो वहाँ पर एक वेइंग मशीन होती है जिसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, वज़न करते हैं, वेट करते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमें क्या चाहिए कि जितना हमने सामान ख़रीदा है और जितना हम वेट रख रहे हैं वो दोनों क्या होना चाहिए, इक्वल होना चाहिए. इफ़ राइट हैंड साइड इज़ डाउन एंड left hand side is up, then we won't say that the weight is equal. Okay, we can only say that the weight is equal when both the surfaces are in equal. Okay, और ये जो बीच में जो ये होता है निडल होता है, that should be in the middle itself. If it is bending this side, that means this side is heavier. If it is bending this side, then it means that this side is heavier. Okay, so this is known as nothing but equation. So here there is a definition of equation that you have to write in your book, that is, if there are equal weights in both the pans of the weighing scale, then the scale is balanced. Such a balanced scale is like a equation. That means whatever is on the left side, that should be on the right side itself. Then only we can say that this is a equation. Okay, so this you have to draw and this you have to write it in your book. Okay, let's go for the further practice set 26. What is in practice set 26? Let's see. Different mathematical operation are given in the following two rows below. Find out the number you get in each operation and make the equations. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to see that this is given as 6 divided by 2. Okay, 6 divided by 2 is, we know that the answer will be 8. Okay, now we have to go further, we have to move further. This is 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, the answer will be what, 10. This is 9 plus 4, that is 13. This is 72 divided by 3. 72 divided by 3, that will give us nothing but 24. Okay, and this is what, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 we all know is 9. Okay, now you all can see that we have solved some of the mathematical expression given in the above lines. Okay, now we can see that no other equation are having the equal values. This is 8, this is 10, this is 13, 24 and 9. But when we come down, this is 8 multiplied by 3. 8 multiplied by 3 is nothing but 24. Okay, and 72 divided by 3 is also 24. Yes or no? So we can write it here as 8 multiplied by 3 is also 24. Then 19 minus 10 is nothing but 10. 9, sorry. Then 10 minus 2 is 8. 37 minus 27 is 10. And 6 plus 7 is 13. So you all can see that this 24 and this is also 24. So we can write it as 72 divided by 3 will be equal to 8 multiplied by 3. Okay, because for both we are getting the answer what, 24. So if both we are getting answer 24, then these both are equations. Okay, now next we have to find that this is 9. Where is 9 coming over here? Over here. So we can write it as 4 plus 5 will be equal to 19 minus 10, because दोनों का आंसर हमको क्या आएगा, 9. 4 plus 5 करोगे तो भी 9 आएगा, 19 minus 10 करोगे तो भी 9 आएगा. नेक्स्ट इज 8. 16 divided by 2 is nothing but 8. Okay, and 10 minus 2 is also 8. So these two are equations. These two both are equal. Next is 37 minus 27, that is 10. Okay, and 5 2s is also 10. So we can get the answer for this as equal. Next is 6 plus 7 is 13, and here 9 plus 4 is also 13. So these are the main final answer for us. Okay, these are nothing but equations. क्योंकि हम देख सकते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर भी अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो आंसर वही आएगा जो राइट हैंड साइड पर सॉल्व करने पे आएगा. दिस इज नोन एज इक्वेशंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट we have to see that uses of alphabets in the equation. Okay, so that is a simple thing of for using the alphabets. That is, if you don't know the value of something, we put alphabet instead of that. Okay, for example, over here we can see that this is a shop. Okay, this is school, and this is a house. Okay, a distance from house till the shop is 190 meter. It is given over here. Distance from house till the school is 300 meter. Okay, but we don't know the distance between school and shop. So if we don't know the distance between school and shop, we will take it as x. Okay, you can take it as a, b, c, d, anything you want, but in small letter. Okay, this is x. Okay, so this is 190 and this whole is 300. So we know that the whole is 300. Okay, the whole is 300. If the whole is 300, then I can say that if I add this distance and this distance, I will get the total distance. So this distance was 190 and this distance we didn't know. Okay, that's distance between school and the shop we didn't know, so we put it at x. So we will add x in it, nothing else we have to do. Okay, now when this type of equation is formed, you have to find out the value of x. So how do you find the value of x? You can see that this 190 is getting added with x. Okay, so simple thing is, whenever something is getting added, okay, we have to write this rule. Something is getting added with x, you have to subtract the same number. When something is getting subtracted, you have to add the same number. When something is getting divided, you have to multiply. And when something is getting multiply, you have to divide. Okay, you will get it in the exercise also. These rules will be followed in the exercise, but before we have to see that how to form an equation using alphabets. Okay, so practice set 27 is all about it. What is this written over here? Rewrite the following using a letter. The sum of a certain number and 3. Okay, the sum of, sum means addition. Okay, I will be writing it over here itself. Sum means addition. Okay, sum means addition ऑफ अ सर्टन नंबर. सर्टन नंबर का मतलब होता है कोई नंबर, यानी हमको वो नंबर नहीं पता है. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड दैट इफ़ यू डोंट नो द नंबर, you have to put alphabet instead of it. Okay, so we often put x. अगर आपको कोई और अल्फ़ाबेट लेना है तो आपको कोई और अल्फ़ाबेट भी ले सकते हो, but we always often take x. Okay, so the sum means addition of certain number means x and 3. Okay, so the second number we know, the first number we don't know, that is x, and the second number is 3. So the using letter we will be writing it as x plus 3. What is it? The sum of certain number and 3. Okay, this is the equation form. The difference between, the difference का मतलब यहाँ पर होता है subtraction. Okay, so we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? Obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. Another number we don't know, but we will be subtracting 11 from another number. The another number will be x, so it will be x minus 11. Okay, next the product means multiplication of what? 15 and another number. 15 and another number. That means 15 multiplied by x. 4 times the number is 24. Okay, 4 times the number is 24. That means what? 4 times, yani 4 multiplied by another number. 4 times the number is 24, another number is 24, like this. Okay, this is the equation. 4 times the another number is 24. Okay, let's see the second one. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Find out the operation must be done both the side equation in order to solve them. This is my x plus 9. Okay, you have to just see one thing that is very easy, that x के साथ जो भी नंबर है, x के साथ यहाँ पर क्या है 9, x के साथ जो भी नंबर है वो उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है, ऐड. What is it getting over here? It is getting added. So you have to just, what you have to do, यहाँ पर +9 है, उसके बाजू में आपको -9 लिखना है. That's it. Okay, and if you are writing -9 over here, you have to write -9 over here also. You have to write -9 both the side. If it is +9 over here, you will be writing a -9, a extra -9 over here. What will happen if you write extra -9 over here? +9 and -9 will get cancelled because it will become 0. So only x will be left over here, and here 11 minus 9 will be 2. That's it. So the x ka value will be 2. Okay, so easy it was. Now if you will see over here, x minus 4 is equal to 9 diya hua hai. We have to just watch that the number with x is -4. Okay, so if it is -4 over here, we will be adding 4 on both the side. Okay, if it is -4, we will be adding 4. If it is +4, we will be subtracting 4, है ना. तो -4 plus 4 will become 0, and 9 plus 4 will become 13. Okay, so x is equal to 13 itself. Now let's see the third sum. 8x is equal to 24. Now what do you mean by 8x? 8x means 8 multiplied by x. Always remember, 8x is nothing but 8 multiplied by x. That means x is getting multiplied by 8. So if you are getting a multiplication, then you have to divide by the same number. So what we will be doing? We will be dividing by 8, and here also we will be dividing by 8. So this 8 will be getting cancelled, and only x will remain over here, and here 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So x is equal to 3 will be your answer. Here we can see that 6 is getting already divided. Okay, so if it is getting divided, we will be doing what? We will be multiplying 6 on both the side. So this 6 will be getting cancelled. X is equal to 18 will be your answer. Okay, so this is what operations you have to take care about. Okay, next is a table over here. Given below are some equations and values of variables. Are these values solution in the equation? Okay, some values equations are given in this box, and the solution for that is given on this box. We have to just find it, and we have to write it that the solution is right or wrong. Okay, so first one, it is given over here, that is y minus 3 is equal to 11. Okay, we know that if it is minus, then we have to add 3. We will add 3 here and 3 here. So this will get cancelled. So y is equal to 11 plus 3 will be what? 14. Okay, so y is equal to 14 is the answer, but here it is written as what? Y is equal to 3, which is not a right answer. So we have written no over here. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Next is 17 is equal to n plus 7. Okay, so we can see that n plus 7 के साथ यहाँ पर क्या है? प्लस हो रहा है. तो what we will be doing? We will be minus, यानी we will be subtracting both the side by 7. So this will get cancelled. 17 minus 7 will be 10. So n का value will be what? 10, and here it is written as 10. So we will be writing it over here. Yes. Okay. Next is 30 is equal to 5x. Now again we know that 5x means 5 multiplied by x. So if 5 is getting multiplied by x, we will be what? Dividing by 5 on both the side. We will be dividing on 5 on both the side, this 5 will get cancelled, this 5 ones are 5 6. So x is equal to 6 is the answer. Here it is given as x is equal to 6. We will be writing it yes over here. Next is m upon 2 is equal to 14. Okay, so we know that it is getting divided, so we will be multiplying with 2 on both the side. This 2 will get cancelled. M is equal to 28. So m is equal to 28 is the answer, but here it is written as m is equal to 17, which is not the right answer. So we will be writing no over here. Okay, let's go further. This will be the last topic of our practice set and last topic of the chapter itself. Okay, this is first equation is y minus 5 is equal to 1. So y is getting subtracted with 5. So we will be doing what? We will be adding with 5 on both the side. Remember students, you have to add और सब्ट्रैक्ट वॉट एवर ऑपरेशन यू आर डूइंग, यू हैव टू डू इट ऑन बोथ द साइड. इफ़ यहाँ पर -5 है तो आपको +5 लिखना है दोनों तरफ. अगर यहाँ पे +5 होता तो आपको -5 लिखना है, लेकिन बोथ द साइड, यहाँ पर भी और यहाँ पर भी, so that it will get cancelled and y is equal to 6 will be your answer. Okay, let's do the second one. 8 is equal to t plus 5. Okay, so we will be subtracting with 5 because यहाँ पे add हो रहा है, यहाँ पर भी subtract करेंगे और यहाँ पर भी. This will get cancel and 8 minus 5 will be 3. So t is equal to 3 will be your answer. Okay, next is third sum. 4x is equal to 52. तो x is equal to what? 52. यहाँ पर divide by 4 on both the side. तो x 4 will get cancelled and 4 ones are 4, 13 is 52. So x is equal to is 30. Okay. Fourth sum. 19 is equal to m minus 4. Okay. So 19 plus 4, 19 m minus 4 plus 4. Okay, this will get cancelled. 19 plus 4 is 23. M is equal to 23. Okay, fifth sum. P upon 4 is equal to 9. So we know that P is getting divided by 4. So we will be multiplying 4 both the side. So P is equal to 36 will be our answer. Sixth sum. X plus 10 is equal to 5. Okay, so x plus 10 minus 10 and here also minus 10. This will get cancelled. 5 minus 10 will be minus 5. We know that if we subtract, then we put the sign of greater number. 10 is a greater number. It is having a minus sign. So our answer will be x minus 5 is equal to x is equal to minus 5. Seventh sum. M minus 5 is equal to minus 12. Okay, so m minus 5 plus 5. This is minus 12 plus 5. Okay, this will get cancelled. So m is equal to plus minus will be minus 12 minus 5 will be 7. Okay, but minus 7 because 12 is a greater number and it is having a minus sign. Okay, eighth sum. P plus 4 is equal to minus 1. P plus 4 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4. So here it will be getting cancelled and this will be minus 5 because minus minus is plus and greater sign is 4 ka greater sign. 4 is a greater number and it is having a minus sign and therefore P is equal to minus 5 is your answer. With this we will be finishing our chapter itself today. If you have any doubt, y'all can comment down on this video, and if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and do not forget to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the Smart Box.